Hi guys, my name is Zog Moore, and I'm the owner of 100p. 100p stands for 100%. That's my corporate's name, 100% or 100p. And my fruit bar is called 100p. Obviously, it's 100% fruit, so it's 100p. And this is for my marketing principles class, and this is for the spring semester. Again, we are 100p. Our mission statement is helping people look good, feel good, and nourishing lives. We're all about that. We are truly inspired about, just being healthy, being fit, eating healthy, eating clean. And again, our fruit is 100% organic. There's no chemicals. We don't put any of that stuff in there, no preservatives. Everything that we have, it has been dehydrated, cured, and compressed together into a bar. And throughout the day, it gives people energy. They love it. Our primary targets are Generation Z and Millennials. A lot of people might ask why we picked that group. Is because they ranges from age 16 to 35, and we figure that those are the young people. They like to stay fit, eat clean, and they care about their body, especially nowadays in 2019. A lot of people are starting to go to the gym, and they, like I said, they all about staying fit, eating clean. We figured for a demographic location, we're going to be up here in the Midwest, in Minnesota or Wisconsin area. And our indoor greenhouses are going to be up in Minnesota and some in Wisconsin. And our base is going to be here in Wausau. And each greenhouse has its own fruits. The apples, the cherries, the blueberries. And this fruit bar, after we pick it from the greenhouse and we turn it into our bar, when it's for sale, this is for the middle class people, we figured. At your retail store, it'll be for $2.75, and it might be a little bit too expensive for the lower class middle, but for the high class people, they can definitely buy it. And for the lifestyle, again, this is for the people who like to eat clean, eat healthy, and maybe busy people who doesn't eat breakfast in the morning. They go straight to work or school or whatnot. These are good for the kids, grab it as they go, or throughout the day in between meals. You can eat these. You can feel the boost of energy as you eat these. Again, these are for the busy moms and dads. You name it. These are for everybody. And again, these are healthy. You don't have to worry about chemicals, preservatives, or anything like that. These are 100% organic. 100p. My candy bar, again, it's called 100p. The main ingredient, it's obviously organic fruits, 100% organic fruits. We do have a few varieties in our greenhouse. Again, each greenhouse carry a few of their own fruits or berries. We have strawberries, blueberries, apple, plums, grapes. And within the next few years, you should see us add a few more fruits and berries onto a list. And each bar, they're about 6 ounces. These are really good. Like I said, great throughout the day in between meals. And if you're a bigger guy or gal, eat 2 ounces. 2 bars, which is like 12 ounces. And the cost of production, we figure it only cost us $1 because all we do is we take care of the plants, water them, and after they are ripe, we pick them, we dehydrate them real good, cure them, and we compress them into like a fruit bar. And the way how we manufacture these is we sell them to wholesalers or the retailers. And per bar, they get it for $2 from us. But they have to purchase 500 or more, okay? So when they purchase 500 bar, that's about $1,000. They get for $2. And the profit, my profit is $500 because the cost to me when they get $500, when they get 500 bars is only $500. Only $1,000, excuse me. So my profit is about $500, and profit percentage is 50%. And when the retailers sell to the customers, they sell it for $2.75. Again, they get it from me for $2, and they're making 75 cents profit because they're selling for $2.75, and their percentage profit is 27.2. That's not too bad, but I make a lot more. 100P's number one competitor is Nutri-Grain. Their ingredients is they put a bunch of stuff in there. I don't know, a lot of them probably a bunch of chemicals but most of them, a lot of you guys recognize. It's oatmeal, flour, sugar, wheat, protein, dextrin, molasses, oat fiber, salt, minerals, and and so on. Even flavor, whatever that is. See, a lot of times customers don't know what exactly it's in their food. They just eat it because it's good or the way how people advertise it. But it's important to know exactly what's in your food. As my bar is 100% just fruits, nothing else. No preservatives, chemicals, nothing else. The price for it, the Nutri-Grain per bar at gas stations or Walmart, wherever you guys go, if you guys just get one, they're normally $1.75. The way how my bar is different from this is, again, big difference. My bar is 100% fruits with 0 chemicals. As you can see the ingredients for this fruit bar, like some of this ingredients, you don't even know what it is. And it's geographically, it's sold in retail stores all over the United States, actually. Even vending machines to gas stations, retail store, and so on. Now, on the other hand, competitor number 2, it's the fruit bar called That's It. The ingredients here, they got a few similar ingredients to my competitor number 1, to Nutri-Grain. It's got fruits, gel, pectin, concentrated juice, or syrup. The syrup is to keep the fruit matter together. That's kind of gross. Flour, and price for it, it's a little bit cheaper than Nutri-Grain. It's $1.58. And how is this bar different from mine? Again, there's a lot of ingredients in there that, like, some of them, I don't think it's healthy to eat. And it's different because mine is 100% organic, 0 additives. And it's, again, That's It. It's sold everywhere too, just like Nutri-Grain. Midwest here, local store as like Walmart gas station, As just distribution goes for 100P, I have contracts with a few of the local gas stations or small local stores here in the local area, like Marathon County to Lincoln and stuff like that. Excuse me. Such as, for example, your local dollar stores, gas stations, Walmart. They do carry a few more products here and there, and I'm trying to sign contract with other bigger distribution out there to get my product out there, and we'll see how that goes. Here is the SWOT analysis for internal strength. One of our weaknesses is other fruit bars out there. There's a lot of fruit bars out there. A lot of companies out there making fruit bars. Um, and they're saying their fruit bar is healthy, this and that, but really their fruit bar is not what they say it is. There's all these preservatives and chemicals in there, and eating too much is not good. You know, it may lead to like cancer or other health problems. You have to know exactly what's in your food and what exactly you're putting into your body. And a lot of people, every time they think fruit bar, they think we're all the same, but we're not. You know, you have to know what you're eating, and you have to know what's good out there. And we are one of them. We are 100p. Our fruit bar is 100%, nothing else, no preservatives, no chemicals, not like all the other ones. So I have to say that's one of our weaknesses, because people think we are all the same. And another internal opportunity for us is, as you guys can see on the website I shared here, it's about this business. They're looking for brands of snacks or fruit bars that are healthy, that people can grab on the go, that are convenient. And I figured, you know, since my fruit bar is convenient and healthy, I fit right in, and this would be a perfect opportunity for me to contact them and see what they think of my fruit bar. And I think this might be an opportunity for me to grow and expand, and who knows, this might be big for me. And yeah, one of our company logans or slogan is "Stay 100." You know, we're all about eating healthy, and you know, just being real with yourself. Um, Eat healthy, be you, be real, stay 100. You know, feed your body, love your body. We're all about, you know, being real with the customers. That's showing our integrity, and you know, you want the customers to eat what you want to eat. You know, and just being 100% healthy, or eating healthy, and our slogan says everything about us, because our fruits, berries are 100% organic. And again, love yourself, treat yourself good, stay healthy, and stay 100. Yeah, we have a few media promotions as magazines. We did contact a few of the pretty big magazines out there, and they did get in touch with us too. For example, Bon Appetit, Eating Well, Eating Healthy. Those got in touch back with us, and we might be doing interviews soon. As for newspapers, media promotions, we have we do coupons and stuff like that through the Wausau Daily Herald and local newspapers around the Lincoln County, Marathon County. And for TV shows, we go right to Channel 7 and Channel 9 and other TV stations locally. Marathon County, Lincoln County. We're trying to go over to Minnesota too. And as for social media, we are all over United States, because our Facebook page, we have a Facebook store, and from the store we have salesmen on the Facebook page 24/7 ready for customer contact, and you can contact us through there. Through social media, we have our full contact there, and whenever, if you guys like our page or follow us, whenever we run promotions, you guys can get it all the time. And the way how we give out promotions to our consumers is coupons. We give a lot of coupons on sometimes our Facebook page or newspaper. But if you guys go to our Facebook page, all you gotta do is print out the coupon. You can print it out on your computer if you guys can. But you gotta follow and like us first. A lot of coupons we give out that customers love is the buy two, get the third one for free. You can use those coupons anywhere, grocery store, local